This earlier throughout the week. We talked about the possibility of heavy rain in some areas, and if some of the rain moved over some of the same spots, we could see some flooding. We have had some reports. There's Pigeon Forge, the Dollywood area, so we're kind of west of the Parkway, back towards the Waldens Creek area. Almost 4.5 inches of rainfall been estimated here, and most of that fell in just a little over an hour to 2 hours time frame. They extended the flash flood warning until midnight tonight. The Weather Service did, simply because there's a little bit more rain back to the west to come through, maybe another half inch or so. If we can keep it under control, I think we'll be okay through the rest of the night. This is just some moderate rain up through portions of Knox County, but if you look, you can see some of that heavy rainfall that moved through earlier in this 3-hour time lapse. It was that batch that moved through that caused the concern. Once we get this batch through, that should be it for the rest of the night. We're down into the 70s for most areas now. Thankfully, it's rain-cooled air, right? But there's a lot of moisture still in the atmosphere out there, so once we get rid of this, don't be surprised to see some patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning when you head out the door. Otherwise, through the afternoon, I think we'll see similar opportunities for rain, more likely through the afternoon and evening, just like today. The temperature's a little less warm than today. We're talking upper 80s. I'll tell you if those rain chances will stay elevated like this into the weekend coming up in a minute.
All right, thank you.